Hello everyone, myself CHAYASHRI from first year EEE branch. Startup company Face Tech Fusion. Product present name moisturizer. Product proposed name ageless aura cream. Empathizing stage. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity to protect against dry skin. Moisturizer that can absorb fast and can adjust your skin's condition throughout the day. Define stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name moisturizer, futuristic product name ageless aura cream. The ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Adding SPF to your moisturizer can help protect your skin. Hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate and plump the skin by retaining moisturizer. Peptides can help stimulate collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity. Natural oils like jojoba, argan, or rosehip oil can provide additional hydration. Prototype stage. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. The testing stage. I request that viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfying the testing stage. Thank you.